Ever wondered what makes your car run? What's under that shiny hood that takes you from point A to point B? We all know it's the engine, but what else? Today we're going to unravel the mystery of the car anatomy, breaking it down into different sections and explaining each one in detail. First up is the body and frame. The body of your car is more than just an aesthetically pleasing shell. It provides space for you, your passengers, and your cargo. It's also home to all the auxiliary components and decorative elements that give your vehicle its unique look and feel. The frame, on the other hand, is the backbone of your car. It's the main supporting structure to which all other components are attached. There are two types of frames: body-on-frame and unibody. A unibody combines the functions of the body and the frame and is the go-to choice for most modern cars. Body-on-frame vehicles, though rarer, are primarily used in off-road SUVs. Next, we delve into the heart of the car, the engine. Usually located in the front, the engine is what converts one form of energy into mechanical energy, propelling the car forward. Most commonly, we see the internal combustion engine, or ICE, which relies on the combustion energy of gasoline or diesel fuel. However, electric and hybrid motors are making their way into the mainstream, offering cleaner alternatives. The engine operates in a cycle of 4 strokes: intake, compression, power, and exhaust. It's supported by numerous subsystems like the intake system, the exhaust system, and the fuel supply system, all working in harmony to keep your car running smoothly. But the anatomy of a car doesn't end there. We have the transmission, the suspension systems, wheels and tires, control systems, electrical systems, and even the climatic equipment. Each plays a critical role in the overall functioning of the vehicle. In summary, the anatomy of a car is a complex structure of interconnected systems and components. The body and frame provide the foundation, the engine generates the power, and a host of other systems ensure a smooth and controlled ride. It's a marvel of engineering that we often take for granted, but understanding it can deepen our appreciation for the vehicles that carry us through life's journeys. Join us next time as we continue to explore the fascinating world of automotive mechanics. Until then, remember, every part of your car, no matter how small, plays a key role in keeping you on the move.